Welcome to Business Studies for JSS 3. Today we study final accounts, manufacturing account. What are final accounts? Final accounts are the financial statements prepared at the end of a financial year to show the financial position and performance of a business. They include 1. Manufacturing account, for manufacturing businesses. 2. Trading account. 3. Profit and loss account. 4. Balance sheet. What is a manufacturing account? A manufacturing account is a financial statement prepared by businesses that manufacture, produce their own goods. It shows the cost of goods manufactured, produced, during a period. It is the first of the final accounts. Its result feeds into the trading account. Why is a manufacturing account needed? A trading business simply buys and sells goods. A manufacturing business makes its own goods before selling them. The manufacturing account calculates the total cost of making the goods. Components of a manufacturing account. 1. Direct cost, prime cost. Direct materials, raw materials directly used in production. Example, cotton used to make shirts. Direct labor, wages paid to workers who directly make the product. Prime cost equals direct materials plus direct labor. 2. Factory overhead cost, indirect cost. Costs that cannot be directly traced to a specific product but are necessary for production, factory rent and rates. Factory electricity and power. Depreciation of machinery. Factory supervisor salary. Factory insurance. Format of a manufacturing account. Direct materials used. Opening stock of raw materials plus purchases of raw materials equals materials available. Less closing stock of raw materials equals direct materials used. Direct labor, factory wages. Prime cost equals direct materials used plus direct labor. Add factory overheads. Factory rent plus factory power plus depreciation of machinery plus other factory overheads equals total factory overheads. Factory cost of production equals prime cost plus total factory overheads. Add opening work in progress, WIP, goods that were partially completed at the start. Less closing work in progress, goods still partially completed at the end. Cost of goods manufactured equals factory cost of production plus opening WIP, closing WIP. This cost of goods manufactured figure is transferred to the trading account. Key terms. Raw materials, basic inputs used in production, cotton, iron, flour. Work in progress, WIP goods that have been started but not yet completed. Finished goods, completed products ready for sale. Prime cost, direct materials plus direct labor. Factory overhead, indirect cost of running the factory. Remember, final accounts equals financial statements prepared at end of financial year, show financial position plus performance of a business, include manufacturing account plus trading account plus profit plus loss account plus balance sheet. Manufacturing account equals financial statement prepared by businesses that manufacture their own goods, shows cost of goods manufactured during a period, first of the final accounts equals its result feeds into the trading account. Components. Direct cost / prime cost, direct materials equals raw materials directly used in production, direct labor equals wages paid to workers who directly make the product, prime cost equals direct materials plus direct labor, factory overhead cost / indirect cost equals cost that cannot be directly traced to a specific product, factory rent plus rates plus factory electricity plus power plus depreciation of machinery plus factory supervisor salary plus factory insurance. Format. Direct materials used equals opening stock of raw materials plus purchases of raw materials equals materials available less closing stock of raw materials. Direct materials used plus direct labor equals prime cost. Add factory overheads equals factory rent plus factory power plus depreciation of machinery plus other factory overheads equals total factory overheads. Factory cost of production equals prime cost plus total factory overheads. Add opening work in progress / WIP, less closing work in progress, cost of goods manufactured equals factory cost of production plus opening WIP closing WIP, This cost of goods manufactured is transferred to trading account. Key terms: raw materials equals basic inputs used in production equals cotton plus iron plus flour, work in progress / WIP equals goods started but not yet completed, finished goods equals completed products ready for sale, prime cost equals direct materials plus direct labor, factory overhead equals indirect cost of running the factory. Thank you.